In 1909, a physicist fired single particles through two slits, and each particle went through both slits at the same time. You can recreate this reality glitch tonight with a $7 laser pointer and a strand of your own hair. By the end of this video, you'll know 7 quantum experiments you can run without a lab, why observation literally changes reality, and the unsolved mystery that still keeps Nobel laureates awake at night. Let's be clear about what we're dealing with here. These aren't thought experiments. These aren't metaphors. These are repeatable tests that break every intuition you have about how objects move through space. And the disturbing part? Physicists have known about these glitches for over a century. They've confirmed them thousands of times. They still can't fully explain them. In 2022, 3 scientists won the Nobel Prize for proving that reality at the quantum level is fundamentally different from everything you experience. Alain Aspect, John Clauser, and Anton Zeilinger demonstrated that particles can influence each other instantly across any distance, violating what Einstein called spooky action. But here's what most people miss. You don't need a Nobel lab to see these glitches yourself. Stop. Before we go further, I need you to forget everything you think you know about how light works. Because the first experiment is going to contradict it immediately. Glitch number 1, the double-slit paradox. Grab a red laser pointer. Any cheap one works. Pluck a single hair from your head. Stretch it vertically in front of the beam in a dark room. Shine the laser past the hair onto a wall about 6 feet away. You'll see bands. Bright lines separated by dark gaps, spreading across several inches. This is an interference pattern. It's what happens when waves overlap. Peaks adding to peaks, troughs canceling troughs. Water does this. Sound does this. But here's the glitch. Light is also made of particles called photons. And when scientists fire photons one at a time, literally one single particle every few seconds, the interference pattern still forms. Each photon somehow interferes with itself, as if it went through both paths around the hair simultaneously. One particle, 2 locations, same moment. Thomas Young first demonstrated this in 1801. In 1982, Alain Aspect confirmed it with single photons. The result hasn't changed in 223 years of testing. Glitch number 2. Observation destroys superposition. Now here's where reality gets uncomfortable. If you set up a detector to watch which path the photon takes, left or right around the hair, the interference pattern vanishes. The photon behaves like a normal particle, going through one path only. Stop watching, pattern returns. The act of observation changes the outcome. This isn't philosophy. This is measured data, repeated in labs worldwide since the 1920s. Glitch number 3, the delayed choice eraser. The Australian National University runs a free remote quantum lab. Anyone with internet access can run this experiment right now at physics.anu.edu.au. Here's what makes it disturbing. In Wheeler's delayed choice experiment, you decide after the photon has already passed through the slits whether to observe which path it took. Your decision now appears to affect what the photon did in the past. John Wheeler proposed this in 1978. In 2007, Vincent Jacques and his team at École Normale Supérieure confirmed it experimentally, published in Science. The photon's history seems to depend on a measurement you haven't made yet. Run the ANU experiment yourself. Watch classical cause and effect break in real time. Okay, pause. I know this sounds impossible. So let's test something even simpler. Glitch number 4. True randomness exists. Go to qrng.anu.edu.au right now. This quantum random number generator produces numbers using vacuum fluctuations, the quantum noise of empty space itself. Here's why this matters. Every random number your computer generates is actually predictable. Given enough information about the algorithm's starting state, you could calculate every random number it will ever produce. They're pseudo-random. Quantum randomness is different. These numbers are generated by measuring quantum vacuum states. According to our best physics, they are fundamentally unpredictable. Not hard to predict. Impossible to predict. No hidden variables, no secret pattern. In 2022, the Nobel Committee specifically cited Bell's theorem experiments proving this. There are no hidden local variables determining quantum outcomes. The randomness is real. You can download thousands of these truly random numbers for free. Use them for cryptography, simulations, or just sit with the existential weight of genuine cosmic unpredictability. Glitch number 5. You can build your own quantum generator. Cloudflare, the company that protects about 20% of all websites, generates random numbers by filming lava lamps. The chaotic motion eventually traces back to thermal quantum fluctuations. But you can go more direct. Smoke detectors contain americium, 241, which undergoes radioactive decay. Decay timing is quantum random. With a Geiger counter kit, about $35 online, you can harvest true randomness from your hallway ceiling. Glitch number 6, the quantum Zeno effect. In 1990, Wayne Atano and colleagues at NIST demonstrated something called the quantum Zeno effect, published in Physical Review A. Watching a quantum system frequently enough prevents it from changing. They trapped beryllium ions and measured them repeatedly. The more often they observed the ions, the slower the ions evolve between quantum states. Observe continuously enough, and you can freeze a quantum system in place. You can't replicate this at home with current technology. It requires isolated ions at near absolute zero. But online simulations at universities like MIT let you adjust observation frequency and watch the freezing effect in real time. Observation doesn't just change outcomes. It can halt time itself at the quantum level. Glitch number 7. Particles walk through walls. Quantum tunneling is why the sun works. Hydrogen nuclei in the sun's core don't have enough energy to overcome their electromagnetic repulsion and fuse. Classical physics says fusion shouldn't happen. But particles aren't points, they're probability waves. And that wave extends slightly into barriers that should be impenetrable. Sometimes the particle just appears on the other side. This powers nuclear fusion in every star. It's how scanning, tunneling microscopes image individual atoms. It's built into the flash memory, storing this video on your device right now. You're using quantum tunneling to watch a video about quantum tunneling. So here's where we land. 7 glitches, all experimentally verified. Several you can run tonight with household items or a web browser. Particles exist in multiple places simultaneously until observed. Observation retroactively changes the past. True randomness exists. Watching something can freeze it in time, and matter routinely passes through barriers that should be solid. The measurement problem, why observation collapses quantum superpositions, remains unsolved. Adam Becker's 2018 book, What is Real?, documents how physicists still fundamentally disagree about what's actually happening. Copenhagen interpretation says don't ask. Many worlds says every possibility creates a new universe. Pilot wave theory says hidden variables guide everything. None have been proven. None have been ruled out. We've used quantum mechanics to build smartphones, MRI machines, and nuclear reactors. We've verified its predictions to more decimal places than any other theory in science. And we still don't know why looking at something changes what it does. If this made your brain hurt in a good way, hit subscribe. Next week, we're covering the 3 solutions physicists have proposed for the measurement problem, and why each one is more disturbing than the last. Run the experiments. See the glitches yourself. Because reality is far stranger than anyone told you.